So, the question is online dating a good thing or a bad thing? According to my perspective, I can say it's somehow good.
I'll just ask one common question. Just answer one after the other, okay? I'll give you the mic and you can answer. Just tell me one answer. That is, what make you think you are unique compared to other friends of yours here on the stage?
I'm confident and I am being myself in wherever I am. That's what makes me feel unique.
And they're not just Naithok, they're very intelligent also. And are you missing out some winner no sala? Huh?
Please go front.
Okay, I'll just ask one common question. Just answer one after the other, okay? I'll give you the mic and you can answer. Just tell me one answer. That is, what make you think you are unique compared to other friends of yours here on the stage? Just one line. What do you think makes you unique from the other? What do you think makes you unique from the rest of your friends?
So I'm not comparing anyone with me that I should only be, but maybe I did a little bit of uniqueness that just modeling.
Not just today's and overall. Let's talk like what make you think you're unique from the rest of the students here?
I'm confident and I am being myself in wherever I am. That's what makes me feel unique.
Next, what makes you think you're unique from the rest of the students here? Not just on the stage, among the rest of the person here. Okay, nang pin Kokborok Song. Okay, nang sakno what can you please say? What makes you think unique means nang sakno buinisai different judata botika one suk. What makes yourself stand out compared to the rest?
Ma'am, ang kebalo like ang by kebalo compare kanya musuk ya or joto equal samano. Everyone is beautiful and ang kebalo compare kanya musuk ya nije no. Ang say hi boibo ate no. Ang kebalo compare kanya musuk ya that's.
So, boys, are you ready? Please come front. I'll ask one common question to everyone, and you guys will answer one by one, okay? So, the question is online dating a good thing or a bad thing? According to my perspective, I can say it's somehow good.
Yes, sir, dating is very good. If you're depressed, you can connect one-to-one. You can share thoughts, problems, any other things. Thank you.
It depends on partner. Depends on partner.
The question is online dating a good thing or a bad thing?
Yeah, I consider it as a bad because in online we say like most of the people just like use filter and just this show that see face to face is not good, I guess.
according to me, it's bad because nowadays everybody are using like filters and all, and in real life they are not so much pretty, but by using the filter they become more beautiful.
So we have another winner, that is Miss Eliakim. So I would also like to ask you a question, that is, what makes you think unique from the rest of the students sitting here?
Okay, so everyone is unique here, and it's not only me, and everybody has different personality, different talent, and everybody has that. And it's for me then, if I would say if I'm unique, then it's my first time, so it's a little bit nervous. Okay, so I'm Garuk. I belong to Garuk community, and I have one friend I just made today, and it's so good to know that I have my own community here, another one. And for me, then everybody is unique. It's not only me. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so before we announce the winner, we'd like to call the last year winner, Mr. Freshers and Miss Freshers. Please come over the stage, Mr. and Miss
Jilly
Freshers.
Riang and Mr. Bhakti.
Please have a round of applause for them.
Jilki Riang and Bhakti Mani Tripura.
So, everyone, are you ready? So, we'll go for the ladies first, right? So, guess who is the winner? Come on.
And without wasting much of your time, the winner for today's Miss Fresher is none other than Miss Payal. Really sorry.
Please have a round of applause for Rimi DEBBARMA. She is the Miss Freshers 2023 from Icfai. And now, we are moving forward to the male. Guess who will be? Is it James? Is it Haslam? Is it Risas? Is it Binod? Come on. And the winner is... Who will be? It's James Monso. Come on.
Congratulations to the newly winner, Mr. and Miss Fresher, Icfai Tiprasa. Well, today, even if they are winner, I would like to say to all the participants and contestants here, and there too, you all are the winner today. Today might be you're a little bit nervous because it's your first time, most of you, but still then, just know that you are the winner. And as I have asked the question, what makes you unique from the rest of the students? You all are unique in your own way, and you have to identify what is that uniqueness from the rest of the people. We all are unique, and we are the best. Thank you.
Okay, so I have a very special request from all the audience. Borok Miss Fresher by Mr. Fresher ni bersama Madam Mutungzago.